Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade your FAQs and accordions with eye-catching effects and smooth animations. With the Easy Accordion plugin, you can instantly enhance the look and feel of your FAQs and accordions, making them more interactive and visually appealing for your visitors. So, let's get started. Suppose you've already created an accordion on your site and now want to add some effects and animations to make it more engaging. To do that, go to the right side settings panel and navigate to the content section. Here, you'll find the animation effects for your accordion content. Select an animation from the drop-down that best matches your website's design. You can also adjust the animation delay to control when the effect starts. Next, move to the motion effects section. From here, enable the scrolling effect to add dynamic animations that activate as users scroll through your page. Click on vertical scroll to customize the scroll direction, speed, and the viewport range where the effect will be applied. You can also choose which devices, desktop, tablet, or mobile, will display these effects, giving you full control over responsiveness. Now, select an entrance animation from the drop-down to grab your visitor's attention as the accordion appears. Adjust the animation speed and delay to fine-tune the experience. If you're using an image accordion, you have even more creative options available. Go to the Image Settings panel and choose an image effect from the drop-down. As you select different effects, you'll see a live preview in the editor, making it easier to pick the perfect one. Enable the Effect on Hover option to apply animations when users hover over the images, adding an extra layer of interactivity. You can also apply animation effects to the image accordion content and add motion effects for how the accordion enters the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.